Okay, and then 4 can go more, 2 and 2. What's our magic numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. And what are those called? Prime numbers. Okay, so, and then what about 48?
2 and 24.
2 and 24, 2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. Okay, so who's our matchies?
The top
2,
yes. The bottom.
another 2, and another 2. Can we circle a 4?
No.
Why not? Well, even if it was a match, it's not a 2, 3, 5, or 7. You cannot circle it. Okay. So our number on the outside is going to be a what?
8.
8. Then what do we do?
You do the parentheses.
Parentheses.
And you bring the sign down. No, you divide first.
We got to divide. 8 divided by 8
It's 0, 1.
is 1. 48 divided by 8.
6. That's 6.
6. Okay, and then what?
Bring down
What's
the
our next
sign.
step?
The sign.
Good, the signs. Okay, and then now what?
And then
Someone's going to get finessed. Okay, so let's let Rodney be the robber today. Okay? Okay, so I've got $3. Reese has got none. How much can Rodney rob us for?
2.
Huh?
none.
None. Okay, Rodney can't get none from us, so I get to keep my money. Okay, and Reese has still got 0. That's okay, Reese. You'll get some money. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What are some factors of 80?
2 and 40.
2 and 40.
2 and 20.
2 and 20. Ooh, I almost read it wrong. Hold on. And you're like, what's the dot? 2 and 10. 2 and 5.
Good job, Reese.
Okay, what about their 8?
2 and 4.
2 and 4.
2 and 2.
2 and 2.
There's 1 there.
Okay, so who's our matches?
2 and 2.
2.
More 2s and another 2.
And what? Another 2.
You circled 3 times.
And another 2. Okay, so what is our number on the outside going to be?
8.
8. And then what do we do?
Divide 10. 10 go.
Scratch that. There we go. Parentheses.
And then it's 10. 10.
What's going to be 10?
The divide.
First number. First number in parentheses.
The first number, why?
Because they're divided.
We're dividing by what?
8.
Yeah, so it's going to be 80 divided by 8. Give me 10. 8 divided by 8. 1. Okay, so how much money do I have?
You have 3.
I got 3. What about Reese?
2.
Okay, so how much can Rodney rob us for?
$2.
He can get me for $2. Okay, so we're pulling that out. Okay, so how much is left for me?
You have 1.
I got 1. Okay, and you can either put A or A to the 1. It does not matter.
Isn't the 10 a negative? Or no?
So, and then what about Reese? How much does he have? 0. What did we forget to do?
The negative.
The negative and
The plus sign.
the plus sign. Okay, so how can we check this? How do you know it's right?
Using my phone.
No. You go ahead. Try to use your calculator, right? It's not gonna work. You can type ABCs in your calculator? No, I know. Okay, how can we check it? Factoring and what go together?
Foiling.
Factoring and foiling, or factoring and distributing. Okay, so if you were to distribute this back out, 8 times 10, 80, well, negative 10, but yeah, negative 80, and then a squared times a to the 1, okay, and then you add the exponents. So you could say still, you should get back up to here, okay? And it kind of goes in a circle, like multiplying and dividing go together. What's addition go with?
Subtraction.
Subtraction, okay? Factoring and foiling go together. Distributing and factoring can also go together. We're doing the GCF, so it does go together, but I'm not going to say, check your work, but you can do a mental check real quick and say, okay, and normally it's going to be the A's that you guys are struggling with, okay? So, or the X's, whatever the letter, okay? So you can kind of check it and use your little finger and say, well, this times this, okay? Most of you guys do great on the number. It's the letter that you get all jacked up. Okay? Look at 5, start factoring it out. Okay, draw your little separator, whatever. Okay, 18, what are some factors at 18?
2 and 9.
2 and 9,
3 and 3.
3 and 3. 14,
2 and 7.
2 and 7.
2, circle and 2.
Circle the 2s. Okay, what about the 3s?
No,
Why not? They're matches, are they not?
but they're on the same side.
Okay, that's why we draw that bar. So, you cannot pick the 3s, although they are matching, okay? They gotta be on the same side. So, me and Reese have a lot of things in common, but it does me no good if Reese has 50 things in common and I don't like just one of them. How's that? Okay, we probably wouldn't be best friends. Okay, so what is our number on the outside?
2.
You sure?
Yes,
Don't
it's
t-
2.
oh.
It's 2.
Oh,
It's 2, Ronnie. Don't start
Why?
second guessing yourself. Because I said, are you sure? And then you're like, no. Then you heard Dana say 4, and then you started changing your mind.
Rihanna confusing me.
No, you confuse yourself. You got to stick with your guns and say, no, I know what I'm doing. I got this. Okay, so we only put 1 for every one. So if you and your siblings go to Kroger, who gets the debit card?
The oldest.
The oldest, right? Our mom doesn't give everybody a debit card, okay? Only the oldest. So for that group of 2s, for this side and this side, for me and Reese, I'm older, so Reese's mom is going to give me her debit card, okay? So we're going to put the 2 on the outside. Okay, what do we do next?
Divide.
Divide. 18 divided by 2.
9.
9, good. 14 divided by 2.
7.
What do you notice? What's left up here? If you look at this one. No. Look at your factors. 2 and a 7. We got a 2 and a 7. And then this one, you got a 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. So you can kind of use whatever's left. Okay? Then what? What do we do?
You put the sign.
Good morning.
No, you gotta rob somebody.
you gotta put this.
The other sign, the plus sign.
The plus sign and
The negative.
the minus sign.
Now you rob them.
Okay, so who is how much money do who's first? Is it me or Reese?
It's you.
It's you first.
Huh?
It's you first.
Me first. So I got how much money?
No.
$1.
$1. Okay. If there's no exponent, what exponent's there?
1.
A 1. Okay. So I got 1. Reese has got 2. How much can Rodney get for us?
1.
1. Okay. So how much do I got left?
1.
Ooh.
You don't
Oh.
got none.
9.
Reese got one.
Oh, Reese has it.
Reese got 1.
You got
Okay.
it.
I had 1. Reese took 1. I got none. Okay. What about Reese? Look, y'all got me. Reese. Rodney took it. Rodney's the robber. Okay. What about the second guy? Who's he got? How much has he got left?
One.
X1.
1. Yeah, and you can put x or x to the 1. Now, normally in mathematics, you're not going to see, this is equivalent, x to the 1 or x, okay? Most people don't write x to the 1. It's just kind of a given, okay? But if it makes you feel warm and fuzzy, then put the x1 there, okay? But it's kind of like how people say ant ain't a word, okay? We don't write the 1 there, okay? It looks funny to do it. So, you know. Okay, look at 7.